Hey guys, how are you doing? In this episode, we are going to see how to screen record on iPhone or iPad. If you're new to iPhone or you have recently bought an iPad and wondering about how to do the screen record on your device, then this simple step-by-step instruction will help you to do that. In iOS and iPadOS, Apple didn't provide the screen record as some sort of application. Instead, you have to access it from the control center by swiping it from the top right corner. If you have set up as a new device, then you need to enable the screen recording first by going inside the settings application and then scroll down a little bit and access the control center. And here you can see the list of applications that you can enable for accessing it from the control center. By default, the screen recording feature may not be enabled in the control center. As you can see, flashlight, clock, and the timer, the calculator, and all other options are there. For some users, it will change according to the new device setup. So from the list, I have to add the screen recording, and you can check all other applications present here. If you need any other quick notes feature or the text size adjustment feature, the voice memo that you want to access right from the control center, you can simply tap on the plus and you can organize it by arranging the orders of which application or the feature should be displayed in which order. So in the control center, as you can see. So after enabling this from the settings control center, from the home screen or within any application in future, if you want to do the screen recording, simply swipe down from the top right corner and then tap on the screen record button, and you will be given 3 countdowns, and then the screen recording starts to happen on your iPhone or iPad. You will see the indication at the top, the dynamic island section. If it is your iPhone, the 13 or earlier models or 14, 14 plus models with a notch, the background of the clock will turn into red color. So that shows that your iPhone screen recording is currently active. And when you tap here, you can see the screen recording status for how long the screen recording is right now happening, and you can control it right from here. You can navigate between apps, everything will be recorded, and once done, you can simply tap here and tap on the stop icon, and the screen recording will be saved into your Photos application. So here you can see from the Photos app, I can access the screen record. Right now, the video is getting played from the Photos app. You can see here. So within the Photos app, the video is right now played. And one more important thing is, like, if you want to add audio to your screen recordings, you need to long press the screen recorder, and you can select the list of application that allows the screencasting feature. Like if you're on a Zoom meeting on your iPhone or iPad and you want to enable the screen recording feature, only after enabling it, selecting it here, you can do the screen sharing or the screencasting feature with a specific video application, video sharing application, or a video meeting application. Long press the screen recording toggle from the control center to access this menu. The same applicable for any game streaming, or if you want to stream a game from your iPad to any other third-party application, then this is the important step that you need to do. You need to select that application from the list so that you can do the screen casting or screen sharing right from your iPhone or iPad within a particular third-party application. And the microphone feature allows you to record the microphone of that specific application or the microphone on your device. If you want to add some voiceover with your screen recording, then you can use this microphone on. By default, it will be off. So for example, if I'm doing a screen recording, and right now I'm going to, so this is how you record a screen with voice. I have turned on the microphone and here tap, saved. Now open it. This is how you record a screen with voice. I have turned on the microphone. All right. So this is how you record a screen with your voice on your iPhone and iPad simply by tapping on the microphone icon by long pressing the control in the control center, which makes the process a lot easier. If you want to send a tutorial for your parents or for your friends to help navigate between the application or a particular setting, or to give a walkthrough of a website or an application, then this will definitely be useful to you. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, find it useful. So for more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day.